In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable to GitHub. By the end, you'll have your Lovable workspace linked to your GitHub account so you can seamlessly sync code, open pull requests, and keep your workflow tidy. Make sure you're signed in to both services in your browser, and if you use multiple GitHub accounts, consider a private window to avoid signing in to the wrong one. To start, head to the Lovable AI dashboard. You can do this by navigating to the Lovable site and logging in. Give the page a moment to load so your account details populate. If you're new to the interface, the dashboard is your home base, showing your projects and giving you access to your profile and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, open your profile and go into settings. This is where all your account level connections live. If you don't immediately see settings, look for your avatar or a profile menu in the top corner. Clicking it should reveal the settings option. It's a good idea to pause here and scan the tabs so you know what else you can configure later, like notifications or account details. Inside settings, look for the GitHub section. It may be listed as a tab or an integration option. Click into it to bring up the area dedicated to connecting Lovable with your repositories. You should see a clear prompt inviting you to link your account. If you've never connected GitHub before, this page will be empty except for that call to connect. Now, connect Lovable AI to GitHub. When you click the connect button, you'll be redirected to GitHub to authorize access. GitHub will show you exactly what permissions are requested, such as reading your repositories and creating branches or pull requests on your behalf. Review these carefully. If you're part of organizations, you might be asked which orgs to enable and whether to allow access to all repositories or only selected ones. Choose the scope that matches your needs. Selecting specific repositories is a good practice if you want to limit access. Approve the authorization and wait to be redirected back to Lovable. After authorization, Lovable should display a confirmation that GitHub is connected, often showing your GitHub handle or a list of accessible repositories. If an organization requires admin approval for third-party apps, you may see a pending status. In that case, contact an org admin to approve the installation. You can return to this same GitHub settings area anytime to review permissions, switch repository access, or disconnect if needed. That's it. You've connected Lovable to GitHub, and you're ready to work more efficiently with your code.